Hello everyone, a very good day to all of you. I'm Adrita Banik, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study in Shahid Biotam Lafitana Girls College. Today I'll talk about how can one improve English in their life. So first of all, we all know that English is an international language. It's the most commonly spoken language all over the world. People all over the world need English to communicate with each other, with the foreigners, or for doing different trades and commerce. So I think English is very much essential for all of us, and it's also essential to learn English properly, otherwise the people cannot understand you. So there are some steps which you can follow to improve your English. First of all, I think you can watch different English movies or cartoons, whatever you want, so that you can improve your accent or you can improve your pronunciation. Then you can read many English storybooks or poems. Then it will help you to learn new words, or you can enrich your vocabulary. Then you can join any English learning course like me. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, which is helping me to improve my English a lot. Then you can watch any English learning videos on YouTube, which will also help you to pronounce any sentence perfectly, or which will also help you in your accent or learning new words. So I think there are many such steps which you can use to enrich your English. So thank you all.